As promised last week, I have brought back Ann LaCosta along with her valuable shared Zoom screen. Ann is a big broker with Keller Williams, and she shared an email from a mortgage banker. It was about a seller offering an incentive to get their home sold. That's happening a lot now that the housing market has slowed down. In this case, it's
the seller that wants to offer $7,500 to a buyer.
Free money when I'm buying a home? Yeah, your first impulse is probably to choose door number 1.
So option 1 would be to take $7,500 off the price. And that would be a natural reaction. Let me just pay less for the house. Whoop. Okay. Well, that lowers your payment by $39 a month.
That's good if you plan to stay in the home 30 years without refinancing, because over the life of the loan, that lower monthly payment slowly saves you more than $14,000. But what if you don't plan to stay in the home a real long time, or if you think you might refinance in the future because rates are high now and you may get a lower one in a few years? How else might you spend that $7,500 that the seller is offering? Let's see what's behind door number 2.
Option 2 would do the 2-1 buy down.
Before you slam that door shut because it has intimidating financing words, this is just paying some of your mortgage interest up front. Each point you buy down on the loan lowers your mortgage rate by 0.25%. In this example, the loan was for $295,000 at a 7.25% mortgage rate. LaCosta says that if we used most of that $7,500 that the seller offered us, it is enough money to pay for a 2-1 buy down. So the discount would be for 2 years. It would drop our mortgage rate 2 points in the first year, 1 point in the second year. And then after that, we would pay our full mortgage rate. Here's the difference it would make.
That saves you $381 a month that first year. And then the second year, it's $195 a month.
Our total savings, almost $7,000. Yeah, that's less than in option 1, but we would save that in just the first 2 years. After that, we'd pay our full mortgage rate, or we could refinance it if rates are lower then. And
a lot of lenders right now are offering a free refinance package if you refinance within the first 2 or 3 years. And that is something buyers should be asking about, and they should be asking for those details in writing.
Always get it in writing. I have written everything we've covered here today and more, and posted the article at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook and Twitter, where I am doing my best to help you stay right on the money.